So your company or your boss has got a bunch of data in their database, or some CSV file or Excel file sitting down there not doing anything. So the question is, why are we even keeping the data in the first place? Are we going to be using it for just referencing? Perhaps there is something more to that, and that is where business intelligence software come into the play. Okay, so over here we are going to look at one particular business intelligence software, and that is the software we'll be using for this tutorial, and the software is called Microsoft Power BI. So at the end of this lesson, you'll realize that you'll be able to be creating dashboards like this. Okay, so this is a sample sales and marketing sample dashboard. Okay, so we are going to be doing something like this. However, you have to understand that the data we obtain from many sources, like in your test file, your Excel CSV database, and all sorts of sources are not actually clean, and Microsoft Power BI gives us the power and the tools to work around this data to make it clean, so we can use it for the analysis we want to use it for. So at the end of the day, you realize that we'll be making some kind of or generating some kind of business value from the data sitting in the office, in our database, in our Excel files. So basically that is what this course is going to be about. So if you're one who is passionate about obtaining a value or insight from data, then this particular beginner's tutorial is yours. So thank you. I'll see you in the next lecture.